while you're walking around the show and see how you can plug in to being part of American Air Power. C-17 rolling from the left.
The pilots for today's demonstration, Captain Spencer Dewey, Captain Spencer Boone, and Captain Josh Bola. The Globemaster, Staff Sergeant Jose Montoya. The crew is a combined total of over 10,000 flying hours. Ladies and gentlemen, the C-17. .320 knots. The C-17. The C-17 provides a direct delivery capability that combines the intercontinental cargo-carrying capabilities of large aircraft, such as the C-5 Galaxy, with the short runway port where enemy resistance is suspected. So listen to the power of these engines now as it slowly flies by and then powers up. It's go around. The awesome C-17 Globemaster 3. The C-17 uses a quadruple redundant fly-by-wire system to run its flight controls. Fly-by-wire system means the aircraft's flight controls are electronically operated by inputs from the control sticks. There are 4 separate flight control computers, each of which can manage the entire system by itself. The computers continuously monitor the flight controls and each other. If there are any problems, they automatically work around the disabled system. In addition to these features, the C-17 still has a mechanical backdrop. The aircraft is maneuvering to demonstrate a full flap approach in just a few moments, getting ready now to complete its circle. As we watch the C-17 and its maneuverability. Oh, you think I'm talking crazy? In a different language you might not understand. Back in time, you wouldn't know. Touchdown to stop, 1,500 feet. Reverse thrust deployed now. Listen to the energy. And the aircraft demonstrating a capability limited to very few aircraft. The ability to routinely back up its own power. Ground maneuverability, extremely important when space is limited for off-road operations on a day-to-day basis. Backing the C-17 up. Amazing. Turn down for what? All the maneuvers you've seen here today are representative of those who fly operational air crews every day, as they provide the highly